Why you got me the crap cup?
Fussy over
I don't like crap cup. I like lifting the cup. Okay. You're the one that does the big man book. Anyway.
I got a man book, didn't I?
Oh yeah, right. So, right, why are we making? Because someone wanted us to make a video. Okay.
Okay.
Careful!
Sorry. Cold.
She nearly made it overflow. She needs a pipe to burp though, okay?
I don't always.
Well, okay. But she has really big man burps. Ew. 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 Oh my god, yes. Please.
Wait, I need to do this.
Hang on, let the camera on you do it. Right, you ready for this?
No.
Oh my god, that was hard. See what I mean? She does big man burps. She does it a lot.
Mhm.
Oh, that's...
Mama!
They really smell. Oh, what have you eaten?
Everything that you have.
That treacle tart.
Yeah. I don't like treacle tart anymore.
Do you taste it when it comes up?
Not always, no. Excuse me. Oh. I'm not a lesbian.
Alright, bisexual.
Either.
She's just a man.
In a girl's body.
No. Like a boy in. Man in a man's body.
No, before I was a lesbian in a man's body.
Right, come on. She's gonna do the big fine. What is it? Final something to burp. Okay? Ready? Anytime today? Ready? That was rubbish. Do a better one. Right, she's gonna do it again because that was horrible.
I can't do
Let's
it.
just fake that. Do it properly.
I can't.
Oh, come on.
I can't. I haven't drank enough or eaten enough today.
How do you do that? My burps are
My burps are just...
Hang on, wait.
You ready?
Oh my god!
Excuse me!
Can you see what I mean? Seriously, that's bad.
That's not all of it though, is it? Does it look like... Yes please. Yes please, hold on, I'll do that. I need to put up.
Right. I think that's all the bad thing you're going to see for a minute.
Yeah, for 1 minute. I'll be ready in another minute. Wait, I've got one!
Okay, alright, I think that's enough because my room is going to be filled with
Gas.
Steph's used gas, okay? I don't really like it, it smells horrible.
It does.
Anyway. You want message first?
Message.
Bye!
Bye!
Burp.
No.